In this video, I'll show you how to enable sort by multiple columns in Salesforce so you can organize long list views more efficiently. Start by clicking the gear icon and opening Setup, then use the Quick Find search box to locate User Interface Settings. On that page, look for the option labeled Enable Sort by Multiple Columns and check the box, then click Save. This simple setting allows supported list views to apply layered sorting, such as sorting first by stage and then by close date within each stage. After enabling it, return to a list view and look for the multi-column sort icon, which indicates the feature is available there. Keep in mind that not all lists support this capability, and you'll need appropriate permissions to access Setup. Once active, it makes scanning and prioritizing records much easier without exporting data. Subscribe for more practical Salesforce tips and tutorials.